What's up, everybody? Thanks for stopping by the channel today, guys. It is Mean Green with Meangreenstreetpicks. Mean Green Sports Consulting is the place to be, guys. 18 years of doing this, 18 years of smashing the books. Guys, it's going to be a very huge day today. Today is a good day to be a part of the winning team, guys. Did sweep the card yesterday in the MLB, but did come up short on the 4-unit play with with UCF. First half, didn't get it done. Let's get some winners today. It's a very huge card today. Like I said, MLB and college football on deck today. Very huge card. This is the place to be. Let's get a YouTube winner for you guys today. Thanks for stopping by for the college football play for today, guys. Remember, I do have an MLB video coming out a little bit later on today, but I want to make sure I get this play out to you guys right now. Guys, we're going to take a quick look at East Carolina and the Marshall game, guys. In this game right here, guys, we're going to be taking Marshall in this game, guys. Look for Marshall to turn up in this game. Marshall will win this game by double digits. Marshall minus the 9.5, minus the 10. Depends on where you do your shopping at. But, guys, get down on Marshall. Let's make some money today. It's your boy, Mean Green, guys. Be on the lookout. I will have an MLB video coming out for you guys shortly. Let's make some money. Very huge day today. Happy birthday to my daughter, 19 years old. Happy birthday, baby. Daddy love you. Let's cash some tickets today. It's your boy, Mean Green, guys. You know what time it is. Meet me at the window.